Back in here again with a fresh squeezed, blended, whatever you want to do episode. We back again, y'all. Well, I'm back again. Welcome back to a fresh squeezed episode of Organic Sippers Club. I'm your host, TK, and unfortunately, I don't have a co-host anymore. Miss 𝕵𝕊 has left the building. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Miss 𝕵𝕊 has left the building. She took her bags, she got on a plane, and she skedaddled. She scrammed out of hot Arizona, and I have no idea where she's been. So make sure you guys go over to YouTube and follow me at Organic Sippers Club. All one word, or you can do it individual. Either way, YouTube will bring everything together as a whole, and you will end up here, right here, Organic Sippers Club, one of the best, newest, hottest health, wealth, personal growth, personal everything channel. You know what I'm saying? Raw pages coming soon. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the raw pages because we will be streaming. I might give you a little snippet of my logo. It's not final, but it's soon. You know what I'm saying? It's coming soon. Today we have a very, let me repeat myself. Today we have a very special episode, and I'll probably say that every episode, but every episode is special to me. So today we have another special episode. We have a strawberry, dragon fruit, mango, banana, aka 𝕵𝕊𝕚, and only a splash of almond milk smoothie. Make sure you guys stay tuned and stay prepared to throw everything inside. Hit that button and mix it up. Before we get into that smoothie, I would like to apologize to everybody who's been subscribing, who has subscribed, who's been viewing and commenting on the videos. I just want to give apology to everybody out there who's been waiting on me. Shit, I've been waiting on myself. But everybody who's been waiting on me out there, man, who's really been trying to, get healthy out there. I apologize because I haven't been attentive to the channel. As you can see, I'm in a new space. My co-host is no longer with me, so I'm just readjusting with everything. And, I had to take some time out, and just get regular life back together. You know what I'm saying? I had been missing picking my kid up from school and getting him on the couple of days I do have off of work. So, I just been taking my time getting back in the groove, but I'm here. We here, man. Organic Sippers Club is finally here, man. We back again. Mangoes, dragon fruit, we on deck. We got it all. You know what I'm saying? Big bag. You know what I'm saying? Big bag. Big bags of everything. You feel me? Big everything. But anyway, appreciate you guys for being out here, tuning in with the channel and just, motivating me to be better as a creator, to be better as a health enthusiast, a health educator. I am a teacher. If y'all didn't know, I am a teacher. Hopefully, I can just get back in the groove of things and just get everything up and running so we can go on to the next level of financial freedom, because that's exactly where I'm headed. No bags needed. So if you guys want to join me, if you have information, if you ever have any information, please don't withhold it, because people of the world need to hear things. Everybody doesn't know everything. I don't know everything, as I stated in my last video, Smoothies at Midnight. If you didn't check it out, make sure you go check it out. Smoothies at Midnight, episode 1. Now, with that being said, let's get into these fruits. Number 1, I always start my smoothies off with strawberry. This is kind of like the base of my smoothie. You know what I'm saying? Strawberries are kind of like the base. They kind of go with everything to me. And I'm a strawberry fanatic, so I do what I do, and I do it well. But before we do that, I'm gonna wash my hands, because I know I need to wash them. So we're gonna wash the hands first. You know what I'm saying? They do say 30 seconds is good enough. So we're gonna wash our hands for 30 seconds, you know what I'm saying? Now that we back, let's get into this smoothie. Hands clean, smelling like pure lemons. Let's get into this smoothie. And these are the strawberry halves. I got halves this time, y'all, so don't be mad at me for getting halves. And I think I'm gonna make enough for 2 smoothies because damn, last time I don't think I had enough, so we're gonna get enough this time. And as I get done with each individual fruit, I'm gonna just put it back in the freezer because they already been sitting out because I've been over here procrastinating, not making the video, not making the smoothie, so throw that back in there, man. Trash always belongs in the garbage right away, so at the end, we don't gotta be picking everything up, you feel me? Simple. Mangoes next. Man, these mangoes be beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. I'll never really measure. Maybe I should start measuring. I'm a taste guy, so I'll just really be going till I'm pretty sure I'm gonna taste something good. Anyway, that's the mango. Trash. Freeze it. You dig? Next, I'm gonna do this right here. I'm gonna actually use a spoon for these because, yeah, I kind of want to use a spoon, so I'm gonna use a spoon. This is the dragon fruit. I hope this stuff is ripe because the first dragon fruit I cut up was not ripe at all. Me and my son, Tito, aka tiniest cuz of them all. We did a little dragon fruit video and we cut it up. So maybe I'll show that video while I'm explaining the beauties of dragon fruit. And these are snack sized pieces, so probably gonna have to put quite a few of those in there if I can get the bag open.
A native to the tropical regions of South and Central America, were first discovered by indigenous people. Dragon fruit was brought to the European continent in the 16th century and has since spread to other parts of the world, providing over 300 species of its kind. The red dragon fruit is its most popular, also known as the scarlet dragon fruit. Did you know that dragon fruit grows on a cactus found in tropical regions around the world? The outside is a pinkish yellow bulb with green spiked leaves appearing to shoot up like flames at its sides. With its sweet and tangy flavor, it is widely grown in Florida and other southern states. It is also known as the strawberry pear. Dragon fruit is a good source of vitamin C, contains anthocyanins like the strawberry, and is low in calories if you're a calorie counter. It is very important that growers harvest the fruit close to full ripeness because unlike most fruit, this one doesn't continue to ripen after it is harvested. Now dig that.
Oh, they ready. Oh my goodness. Hey y'all, this is my first time trying dragonberry. Dragon fruit. Dragonberry. This is my first time trying ripe dragon fruit, man. Last time my shit wasn't ripe, so let's give it a try. Pretty good, pretty good. You know what I'm saying? I hope they didn't add no color because this shit look like dye. And you know how they be doing the fruit nowadays. They might have added some color to this. This shit real fluorescent. I hope the fruit really come like this. Comment down below if you know how dragon fruit really come like this, man. This shit pure. This shit like fuchsia. God damn. I wonder, should I just give all the facts at the end of the smoothie? No, I'm gonna bust it down. That's gonna be too much, and y'all attention span is pretty short. So I gotta make sure I keep stuff moving around y'all, cause y'all will be done cut me off, and I ain't even 5 minutes in the video. Y'all done cut me off and scroll to the next twerk video or the next fight. You know what I'm saying? Or Blueface and Krishan. You feel me? So freezer. Hey, wait till y'all see. Y'all ain't ready for that passion fruit. Ooh, wait. Hey, I might give y'all 2 episodes a week. You know what I'm saying? But I think I'm gonna just groove myself back into 1 a week because that was hard enough. So once a week, let's do it. You know what I'm saying? Cheer me on. If you fuck with me, if you're trying to get me to do an episode a week, let me get some hands in the chat, man. Hand claps in the chat. If not, give me the praying hands because I am gonna need Jesus, God, all of the above to help me produce these videos. You feel me? So make sure y'all show some love in the chat. Give me some hand claps. Give me some trophies. Give me all the love that I deserve. Give me what I want. Damn it. Bananas last. Just a hint of banana. Or I think we'll do 2. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Man, this little tiny blender, I hope this be able to take it. You know what I'm saying? Do y'all shake everything y'all open? I mean, do y'all shake everything before y'all open it? I mean, I be shaking water bottles, everything. I shake toothpaste, nigga. That shit don't even move. I be shaking toothpaste. You know what I'm saying? You gotta mix it up. This is cool. I guess I can use this to hood if I got a hood. You know what? I'm gonna use a measuring cup just for y'all. This is so we'll know exactly how much almond milk TK be using. You know what I'm saying? Well, this is a pretty big batch, so I'm gonna go ahead and use let's say about a half. Nah, we're gonna need more than that. We need a little bit more than that. About 3/4 cup. About 6 ounces. It's about 6 ounces of liquid. Not from a cow though. Oh wait. Definitely refrigerate this right over here. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Rinse that out. You know what I'm saying? Slide that over there. Wipe my area clean. Hey, make sure y'all be being sanitary out there, man. Make sure you out there wiping down, sanitizing, you know what I'm saying, using shit, you know what I'm saying, all-purpose cleaner. This is great value. This is not even the expensive shit from Target. My shit come from Walmart. A lot of y'all shop at Target. Y'all way better living than me. But I'm just letting y'all know you can do it with just the simple little things. Let's get back to it. All right, now that we got the almond milk in there, let's blend this joint up, man. Let's get it. Better living button in 3, 2, 1. Tastes like a strawberry Starburst. Man, the pink Starburst, man. Yeah, most of my smoothies be real pink, man. You know what I'm saying? Real pink, like the inside of that mink. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? We got the infamous Wonder Spaces glass. Shout out to Wonder Spaces. If you haven't visited Wonder Spaces in Scottsdale Mall, I'm pretty sure it's another location, but that's the one me and my family went to. You dig? But yeah. And let's see what this thing tastes like, man. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. All right, now let's give this thing a taste test. Bottoms up. It ain't nothing like it, man. It ain't nothing like it, man. You know what I'm saying? It almost matched the little pink in the shirt. You know what I'm saying? Is the shirt matching the smoothie or is the smoothie matching the shirt? Who knows? But comment down below if you think I look good with this smoothie. You feel me? I know I do. I'm just, I could use the extra boost. But man, put that there, man. First episode back in a month. Damn, that's fucked up. First episode back in a month. Organic Sippers Club is back, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure y'all like this video. Comment on this video if you feel you need to, or if you're just feeling spontaneous and you just want to say, hey man, nice job, TK, you're doing good. Keep up the great work. I would greatly appreciate it. But, I appreciate you guys for having me here again, coming to my platform, doing it up with me and my smoothies, you know what I'm saying? And I really take this serious, and I'm gonna start taking this serious for me, myself, my kids, my family, Miss Niecy, she left me, for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Organic Sippers Club, man, here to stay, man. Appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend. Anybody trying to join the health club, man, OSC, man, I'm here for y'all. I'm finna start incorporating kale too. Oh yeah, let me show y'all. Big bag. I ain't playing. Bought a big bag of kale. Big bag of kale. Now I'm finna start incorporating these green juices too. These greens and these juices, man. Big bag of kale, man. So make sure y'all stick around, man. You know what I'm saying? Is that a thumbnail? Right, let me make sure I get the kale with the... How should I look, y'all? Looking anyway, but yeah, man. Big bag of kale on the way, you know what I'm saying? Organic Sippers Club here to stay, you know what I'm saying? Timmy 2 times. Back in effect. Thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. Shouts out to y'all. Shouts out to me. Shouts out to myself. Shouts out to I. And shouts out to the universe and the Most High. Thank y'all.